Hi everyone, welcome to my channel CCIE on the Spectrum. My name is Shakil. In this video, I'll show you how Python or Python, because I heard that some people say Python and some people say Python. So I don't know which one is right. So I will say Python. So yeah, I would like to share how Python can help you being a network engineer. So suppose this is your data center or your network. It can be even bigger. Actually, for bigger networks, Python can be much more helpful because you don't have to log into the devices manually, because you can use Python to log in into the devices and run the commands for you. So all you need is you if you are just able to SSH into the devices, anything that you can do on the CLI, you can write up Python code to help you automate the work. So let me give you a little example. So suppose I have this network and I want to fetch the output of show BGP summary from some of my switches. It could be from maybe one switch or all of these switches. It's up to you. So, but in this video, just to keep things simple, I will just show you the demo to push the command on one device and fetch the information, because I love to keep things simple. Okay, in the upcoming videos I will show you definitely how to push the command to the multiple devices. Okay, so simple. What we want this command to be run on our spine switch, and we want this output. So here is my Python code. Simple. So let me first run this program and then I will give a brief explanation of this code. So let's run this code, and you can see the same output which you see here from the CLI. I can get this output by writing up Python code. Now it's really simple to just add more devices here, and I can iterate to each of the device and fetch this information. And here I can also save this output in a file. It can be a text file or it can be a CSV file. I will show you all this in the upcoming videos, but I hope that you got the idea that why do you need to learn Python. Now what this code is doing, guys, it's too simple. So from netmiko, it's just a library. It's one of the libraries that helps you to interact with your networking devices. There are more libraries. And what is a library, guys? Package, library, or whatever, they are just pre-written code for you, so that you can use that code, okay, in your program and get the output as you desire or as you required. So simple, it's a library, and in that library it's a function that helps you SSH into the devices. And here I have defined the login information for my Arista switch. Okay, I can also add more devices, but as I said, I wanted to keep things simple in this video. So here I pass this variable. Okay, it's called a dictionary. In Python language, this is called a dictionary. Okay, so I created a variable, okay, or you can say it's an object, okay, and I passed my login information here in this function, and I store the output of this code into result. Again, it's a function, okay, it's a pre-written code for us to push this command onto this device. Okay, then I print the result here. Okay, I can also save this information in a file which I will show in my upcoming videos. I hope that you like this video, and I'll show more about this stuff like Python, Ansible, etc., etc. Until the next time, goodbye.